Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta salad with mayonnaise. First, gather all your ingredients, including your favorite short pasta, creamy mayonnaise, and a selection of fresh vegetables. Next, you'll cook the pasta until it's perfectly al dente, then cool it completely. Finally, prepare your vegetables by chopping them into small, uniform pieces, ready for mixing. For the perfect pasta salad, begin by boiling a large pot of salted water. Add about 1 pound of your preferred short pasta, like rotini or fusilli, and cook it until it's al dente, which means firm to the bite. After cooking, drain the pasta well and rinse it under cold water. This stops the cooking process and prevents sticking. It's crucial that the pasta cools completely before you mix it with other ingredients. Now, let's prepare the other components. Chop your chosen vegetables, such as celery, bell peppers, and red onion, into small, uniform pieces. You might also include ingredients like hard-boiled eggs or small cheese cubes. For the dressing, whisk together about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise with your favorite seasonings. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or Dijon mustard can add a lovely tang and depth of flavor to the creamy base. Once your pasta is cool and your vegetables are prepped, it's time to combine everything. Gently add the cooled pasta and chopped vegetables to the bowl with your mayonnaise dressing. Stir until all ingredients are thoroughly and evenly coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the pasta salad for at least 1 hour to allow the flavors to meld. Serve it chilled for a refreshing and delicious side dish or light meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.